Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove or hide the cat icon from your Shopify Dwell theme. So if you're a Dwell theme user, this video is for you. So this way, you're going to remove this and it's going to look just like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Yeah. Now, what you want to do is to come here to your online store, your themes, and this is the backend that you know. And I'm sure you'll have already added your draw theme. So just look for it anywhere and come here and click on customize. And once you click on customize, you're going to land on a page just like this, which shouldn't be strange to you. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is you want to click on header, this header here. Okay. This one, not this big one. Okay. I mean, this. All right. Header. Then you want to scroll down. You want to go down, baby. Okay. And you want to click on CSS, the custom CSS. You want to toggle that. And there is something I'm going to give to you that you paste here, and that's all. And here it is. Okay. So I'm going to give you this doc file and just copy this text from here to here, the way I copied it, and copy and come back here and paste, and that is all. You see, it's gone. So now it's gone. So now you see it's gone right there, and that's all. Now, in case maybe you don't like to use the custom CSS and you're like, oh no, I don't want to use this and I would like to use another one. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I got you. What another one you can use is, let me just remove that. Now, in case you go with the custom CSS, just go ahead, do that and hit on save and you're good to go and have a nice day. All right. But anyway, let me still give you another trick. So it's better that you learn everything. Now, you want to use this method, okay, which is called the base method. And this is the base CSS. And we want to come here to this three dotted line, okay, around here. And you want to click on edit code. Don't worry, still copy paste, please. There is nothing technical. Anyone can do this. Even my grandmama can do this. All right. Then you want to head back here and you want to copy this one that says to hide it using base. Just copy this down in my notepad, okay? Then once it's loaded, the moment you click on edit code, it's going to load just like this. And you want to come here to this Explorer side. You want to click on this Dwell drop down and you want to click on assets, okay? And you want to click on this base.css, okay? You can see. Then you want to scroll down. You want to go down, baby. You want to go down. All right. So now the moment you're down to the last part like this, okay, just click on this last part and paste. That is all. And go ahead and save and go back and it's gone. It's gone. You see, it's gone for life. Okay. So now that is it. Those are the two tricks that you can use to remove your the card icon from your Shopify store in your Dwell theme. All right. So if this video has been helpful, thank you. And also there's another trick you can also use. It's the remaining one. Sorry, I forgot. And let me go ahead and remove this. Save. So I can teach you. Okay. So it should be back. Good. It's back. So now I just have to remove this code. Okay. The code and save and it's going to come back. All right. So you can also use the custom liquid. Okay. You can click on around this header section. Okay. Just click on add section. Click on custom liquid and custom liquid again. And you can add this custom liquid code. This one that says to remove using CL. So click that and paste and check the magic. It's gone. Okay. It's gone. All right. Just type in the comment section, it's gone. All right. Okay. So now this is exactly how you can do this. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. My goal is to get this to 10,000 subscribers and even more, but at least 10,000 subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe so that this channel can also grow. And I'm trying as much as possible to create a whole lot of video tutorials for you guys. So please, I need your support. Thank you very much in advance. And also like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people. Even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who will be needing something just like this. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Please take care of your health. Health is wealth. And the more you're trying to make money, the more you should also take care of yourself so that you can be able to enjoy your money when it comes. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.